all these many wine bottle, different shapes and sizes, like what do they all mean? I mean, does it mean that this is definitely Cabernet and this is definitely Pinot Noir? No, there's really no, there's no real rationale as to which wine goes in which bottles. Now, these are the two main shapes that you have. This is a Pinot Noir, a Burgundy shaped bottle, it's the sloping kind of shoulders on it. This is a Bordeaux bottle, it's the higher shoulders on it. So these are the main types of bottles. Now you see German bottles, they're kind of, I don't know, longer, narrower, occasionally blue or green or brown kind of colours to them. The main reason behind at least these two bottles, there's one really kind of very vague rumour going around with the Pinot Noir bottle, is that the wine actually has a sloping shoulders because back in the day, I've told you about when I say back in the day, that means that I really don't know when we're talking about here. But there's a rumour that back in the day, this shape was easier to master for glass blowers than this shape, which, I don't know, kind of makes sense to me. So that's one rumour. The other actual theory is that, although you could still kind of achieve the same effect, is that Pinot Noir generally isn't meant for aging as long as wines in these kind of shaped bottles, which tend to be full-bodied red, Cab, Shiraz, Bordeaux. In this case, you could actually age this particular wine for quite a while, but that's the theory, is that these wines are meant for aging longer, therefore they tend to throw more of a sediment. That sediment can actually get caught a hell of a lot easier in this this kind of shoulder part right here, compared to this shape, which is definitely going to flow much easier into the wine itself. That's one theory. I don't know. I mean, I guess it kind of pans out, but just throwing out there that the shapes of wine bottles really mean absolutely very little whatsoever.